Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus, live streaming. You know where I'm live streaming from. Microphone check. I'm live streaming from your mama's. Tell her to stop texting me so late at night. My bedtime's early. I'm getting old. Getting old, man. 2 a.m. She's texting me to come over. I'm kidding. All right. How's everyone doing? Good morning. Tom, aka Nostradamus, aka Diamond Nuts. How's everyone doing today? Am I still shadow banned? See, I got one viewer. How you doing out there? Good morning. All right, today we're going to talk about Elon, unpopular person in crypto. I'm going to give you my argument. Everyone's pissed off at Elon. Everyone's pissed. Look, the only freaking reason you're pissed off at Elon is because he made you lose money. D-Mac in the house. Good morning. Elon is not helping. CZ, Elon. Yeah, bro. The only reason. All right, we're going to get into that in a sec. Crypto market. Everyone's probably like edging up to the side of that cliff today. Are they going to jump off? Did you do your morning exercises today, D-Mac? Did you do your morning exercises, everyone? Are you prepared? Is today the last? Ooh. Actually, so when I woke up this morning, Bitcoin was just like barely keeping its head above water at 39,000. It actually dipped below 39,000. Not really sure what's going on. Andy in the house. Good morning. How you doing, brother? How are you doing? I'm tired, to be honest. Oh, I'm a little less tired. I didn't have to work late last night. First time since I can remember. Anyway, Bitcoin trying to push back towards 40,000. I think USA woke up, said, let's buy that dip. I'm not buying it. I'm out of money. I've already spent all my money. But like I said, did you do your morning exercises? Did you prepare? Is today the day that Bitcoin goes to 20,000 and then 15,000? Then it goes to the depths of hell. Are you prepared? Or do you have too much in, or can you hold until you're right? We got plan A, plan B. Plan A is this crypto bull market is on. That's personally what I believe, but I'm prepared for plan B. Plan A is we exit, we make a lot of money at the end of the year. We don't exit at all, but we take profits. Plan B, we're wrong, and we're holding until 2024, 2025 and buying that dip the whole way back. If you can't handle plan A or plan B, you're probably going to get your ass handed to you in crypto. If you're trying to leverage trade, 99.9% chance you're going to get your ass handed to you. Trying to swing trade, pretty good chance you're going to get your ass handed to you. You see a theme there? Hey, look, this is not financial advice. This is just how I'm navigating the cryptocurrency markets. You have to put on your own big boy pants. I'm sure most of you out there are smarter than me. I know growing up, I made a lot of mistakes in crypto. I made a lot of mistakes in the stock market thinking I was smarter than you. Guess what? I wasn't. I got my ass handed to me time and time again. I eventually did figure out a strategy that works. And there's two strategies that work in the stock market. I would imagine these same two strategies will come to fruition in the cryptocurrency market. The one is one of these strategies is very immature and illiquid at the moment. That is buy and hold or sell premium. There are some ways to sell premium, selling options in cryptocurrency right now, but they're not very good options. I would imagine over time, I will see myself doing a lot of that. I'm looking forward to it. And possibly even leverage trading as a hedge. Not trying to get rich, trying to get quick, but leverage trading can be used as a hedge. Anyway, Bitcoin 39.3, Ethereum 24.5. I'm just doing the ones I love the most. Cardano, and these are the ones I have the most money in. Cardano $1.51, still holding pretty strong. I don't know why TradingView does this thing now where it just, every time I reboot my computer or reopen the screens, it just squishes Cardano down to, takes me 20 minutes to get it back into view. Very annoying, TradingView. Why would I pay for your garbage, right? Look at this. Are you kidding me? If I pay, do I still have to deal with this shit? 20 minutes later, we can get to my chart. All right, so I did have a target. Ooh, look at that. Maybe Tom technical analysis is pretty good. So back in the day, I did predict Cardano would be in this blue circle around this time frame. Well, that was a little wrong because we blasted past it and then blasted back down, but then we came right back up to it. Maybe I am a soothsayer. Maybe I am a warlock. Maybe I'm a witch. All right, Polkadot, $23. Polkadot's had some pretty good news. Is it? It's on Coinbase Pro. Is it live on Coinbase yet? Let me check. I love me some Polkadot. The Kusama auctions started yesterday. Kusama Yo Mama. All right. Let's see. Polkadot. This asset is not supported by Coinbase. Come on, Coinbase. Get your ass to... You know what, Coinbase? Another crypto I love. eHarmony. I keep calling it eHarmony. We're just going to roll with it. I've already told you I'm desperate. I need a date. Any hot single ladies out there, hit me up. Follow me on Twitter. Let me know what's going on. Give me them digits. We can make something happen. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, Harmony 1, 8 cents. I continue to buy that Harmony 1 dip. Looking forward to when it gets, when this one will eventually be on Coinbase, IMO. And when it does, Moontime, baby. I think this one is a guarantee. Oh, Tom, watch what you say. I think this one's an easy 10x. An easy 10x this year. That's, you know, in a parabolic crypto market move. If it does 10x, it's probably going to see a pretty massive pullback. It's probably going to see another massive pump or two this year. And it's going to see another massive dip or two this year, too. Anyway, real quickly, let's check out the Aave dashboard. I got some Bitcoin. I was hoping to get over here, but man, it's a pain in the ass to get Bitcoin on Ethereum and over to Aave. I do have some Bitcoin on Binance. It's just chilling, just sitting there. It's about 0.08 Bitcoin. Guess I can transfer it to BlockFi and get crap, right? Like, because I've already... BlockFi is kind of garbage now, man, unless you're holding stablecoin there. But F traditional banking, right? That's my new motto. That's what I love about Aave. That's what I love about Curve. I'm over here on Aave. Look at this. Oh, you know what? You can't see my desktop. I'm an idiot. There we go. Here I'm over on Aave. I got some Freematic, earning Freematic. I can claim it. You see, I got these. This is what I got deposited over here. And this is, I'm borrowing against it, right? I'm getting, for example, on Bitcoin, I'm getting 2.72% on my stablecoin, plus another 3.54% for Matic, just for depositing my money on this decentralized bank, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic. So on my stablecoin, I can borrow against it. I'm getting 2.72% for depositing. I'm paying 3.88% for borrowing. Why the hell would I do that? I'm getting paid to borrow. Look, Matic is paying me 4.55% if I borrow money on here. So I'm ahead, right? And I've taken some of this money and redeposited it, right? The circle of life, the circle of DeFi. Oh, how does that go? All right, so Curve, we did do some of this on Monday. I did get this figured out. I do have money in the Aave pool over here. Equal amounts of DAI, USD, and Tether. Yeah, DAI, USDC, and Tether. 200 of each. Just learning this. This one's paying me in Matic and paying me $600. I'm earning 7.5 cents a day. You know. I don't know what APY, that's like 4.58%, it tells you. And they're paying me in Matic, 19.23% in Matic. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can deposit your money on, so like this is stacking yield on yield, right? You put all your DAI or your stable coin over here on Aave, you withdraw it, whatever. You got to watch your health factor. You don't want this to get to 1. Right? And you're earning money by borrowing. You're ahead, right? I've got other videos. Be sure to watch it. You borrow it, it goes back in your wallet. Then you come over to Curve, and then you might have to swap, right? And I showed you this. You can go to Quick Swap, and you can say you have we'll say $1,200 in DAI. You go to Quick Swap, You take $400 and you swap it into USDT. You take another $400 and you swap it into USDC. You come over here and you deposit 400 of each in the Aave pool, and plus the yield you're earning on Aave, you're now earning more, 4.58%. So you're earning 4.58% on your borrowed money, stacking. Like, is your mind blown yet? Go do this at a bank. You can't do it. I need to save this for another Matic Monday. All right, you get the idea. We'll continue to discuss this on just another Matic Monday next Monday. Anyway, let's move on to Elon. Branches everywhere. Point relative in the house. Good morning, brother. All right, so Elon, come on, guys. I know DMAC hates Elon. How's Andy? How are you feeling about Elon, Andy? How are you feeling about Elon point relative? Dude, the only reason people hate Elon is because they cost them money. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little butthurt for a little bit. I was like, Elon. I still loved Elon, right? I still loved him, but I wanted him to STFU about cryptocurrency. And I was, everyone's like George. Oh, we're all George. I love you, George. Great channel. Oh, I'm canceling my plaid. I'm canceling. Why? Why? Because your Bitcoin went down? Think about it, dude. At the end of the day, he wasn't wrong. Elon wasn't wrong. Bitcoin costs a lot of dirty energy, a lot of coal-powered energy. I'm a green person. I try very hard to be green. And, he's not wrong. Everyone argues. And they're right. They're right. Banks cost a lot more electricity. Okay. You know how that saying goes. Just because of this doesn't make that right. That's just one more FU to banks. They've already put a committee together. What if short term it sucks? It does. Short term it does suck. Long term it might be amazing for Bitcoin. Think about Elon, Tesla didn't sell their Bitcoin. I don't know if they're probably not going to buy any new Bitcoin, but they said they will accept Bitcoin if Bitcoin shows that it's 50% green. Dude, let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's be better. Let's be better than the banking industry on every facet, right? Let's be more green. Banks are actually working towards being green too as part of the ESG initiative. A lot of negative, like Bitcoin pushes FUD about the banking system and banking system pushes FUD about Bitcoin, right? But you know what? Who cares? Let's be the bigger guys. Let's be more green. Let's come out on the other side and just say F you to banks one more time. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, guys? We're green as green AF over here, right? So again, everyone's mad at Elon. Calm down. Dude, is Elon manipulating cryptocurrency? I mean, that's a theory. That's a theory. I mean, let's be realistic though. I mean, does he have the money and the power to do that? Yeah. Does he have a bit of an ego? Yeah. Is it possible? Yeah. Is it likely? Probably not, right? Probably not. That guy's got a lot going on. There's a lot of reasons to hate him. There's a lot of reasons to love him. I choose to look at all the reasons to love him. What he's doing for the aerospace industry is going to go down in the history books, right? If you cannot see what's going on at SpaceX, now that's not all Elon. Elon's got a great team, right? But Elon's the front-facing person, right? So again, like, we're going to Mars because of Elon. We're getting off this planet because of Elon. We're landing, we're launching and re-landing and reusing rockets because of Elon. Elon is doing great things with Tesla and the cars. Everyone's like, oh, lithium mining is this. Lithium mining, there's kids out there with their pickaxe inhaling toxic fumes, mining lithium. Again, I don't know how much of that is FUD, how much of that is true. I know a lot of people regurgitate what they hear. I do know that Elon is very aggressively working towards finding clean ways of mining lithium. So there's trade-offs out there, right? So, you could find good and bad stories about every company out there. Apple has 2-year-old Chinese babies assembling the iPhones, etc., etc. All I say, let's look at it, the glass half full. Let's try and make it full. Or wait, half full or half empty, right? So we're gonna be half full over here. I personally think what Elon is doing is a good thing for Bitcoin. May not be a popular opinion because we're talking crypto right now. And get the dislikes ready. Get the dislikes ready if you're one of those people that hate Elon right now. I say it's a good thing. Let's say F you to banks. Let's get cryptocurrency more green. Or most specifically Bitcoin. All the POS, all the proof of work, POW. Which one is it? Proof of stake. Yeah, proof of stake, right? Yeah, oh my goodness. Proof of work would be Bitcoin. Proof of stake would be Ethereum, Cardano, etc., etc. Those are already a lot more green. In general, I'm all for making the planet more green. I don't know. I've been watching a lot of Johnny Bravo lately. Johnny B, Saint Gang Gang reminded me that guy has a good channel. Does have a good channel. He just had a video yesterday like the world's coming to an end, extreme droughts. Guys, I don't know what your forecast is like for the next 3 days, but on Friday, the temperature where I live, 115 degrees. Some shit is popping off on this planet. I don't know if it's getting any better anytime soon. I don't know what kind of carnage is coming over the next 5-10 years. I do know that my time on this planet has seen a change, right? I have seen it with my own eyes. I remember it. I have a really good memory. I remember what the weather was like when I first moved out here. And I remember what it's like 30 years later, 30, 40 years later. It's changed drastically. Spring and fall now last about 5 days. And then winter is more like spring or fall. And summer is like, what the hell happened? We pissed Lucifer off and he keeps adding coal to the fire. Anyway, so yes, I am not upset with Elon. I was a little mad at him for a while. I think what he's doing is a good thing. Let's let Bitcoin come out on the other side. We're already seeing, like, it's all positive in my opinion. We're already seeing China forcing miners to move to more eco-friendly districts. And the ones that don't do that in China, there's talks that they're moved to other countries like El Salvador, and I think Central America, we're going to see a lot of dominoes fall with third world countries accepting Bitcoin as traditional money. What is it they call it? I don't remember. Anyway, I think we're going to see a lot more of that. I think we're going to see a lot of dominoes fall. I think we're going to see a lot of good news. One good news I've been hoping for is an ETF approval. One of the ETFs just recently got delayed again. I don't even remember the name of it. I think the Fidelity one and the other Scamucci's, what's his name? His fund should be this month too. I don't know. I'm starting to lose a little faith in the SEC. I think they're just like, yeah, we're just going to keep pushing these on. We don't care. I would like to see, you would think there would be a lot of institutional pressure, a lot of like, just grease a freaking palm, man. Like Scaramucci, dude, like grease a palm. That's all I got to say, right? You grease enough palms, your ETF is going to get approved. And once your ETF gets approved, you're going to make billions. I don't know. What am I missing there? There's other good things that are coming down the cryptocurrency market, I would imagine, right? I do think Apple's eventually going to, whether or not it's just, cryptocurrency being on the wallet versus buying crypto, there will be more institutional buying. I think there's highly likely that these will get announced. More and more companies will get announced as the next quarterly earnings come out. Anyway, that's my spiel on Elon. Stop hating Elon so much. You know what? Just like, stop worrying about Elon in general when it comes to cryptocurrency. Again, I think what he has done, it sucks, right? It sucks, but here's the deal. I hate to break the news to you. Bitcoin was way overbaked, way overbought. Bitcoin was coming down regardless, Elon. Be mad at the whales. Don't be mad at Elon. Be mad at the ones actually manipulating Bitcoin. Continue to fight them, right? Continue to follow the model, the HODL model. Plan A and Plan B over here. Tom's Plan A and Plan B. Bitcoin was coming down regardless of what Elon said, right? If the Wyckoff method is true, the manipulation was happening. We all know that Bitcoin can be manipulated. We all know Bitcoin can be manipulated. And they were going to take it down no matter what. Elon was just one big fat thank you to make it easier and a little bit harder, right? So again, stop hating Elon. Lots of good times to come in cryptocurrency. Continue to grind your nuts off. Continue to watch your expenses. Continue, not financial advice, but continue. This is what I'm doing. I'm continuing to buy. Dollar cost averaging every paycheck. I put a little bit into some, right now, mostly Harmony, eHarmony, the Harmony one. I still love to spread it around with Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. There's small amounts right now. I'm hoping to get out, 20, 30, 40, 50% of my money. If we have a blow off top, this is if we have a blow off top, that's plan A, right? So if we start getting September, October, and it's going parabolic, I'm taking profits off for sure. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60% of my money off, depending on how parabolic we go. I'm hoping to make it to long-term capital gains, but that doesn't happen until February. I actually kind of think this time is different. I've said this numerous times. I don't know that this will necessarily be a super cycle, but I think we're going to see more liquidity, more stability over time. And we may not have a blow off top, but because of that, we may also not have a devastating bottom. Anyway, I'm sitting there and, I'm looking at all different angles, right? Again, do your exercises. Be prepared if this is the end. Be prepared if we do start. A lot of people, right? Check out Crypto Savvy. I really like his channel. He's extremely bearish. He thinks we're going up to this trend line right here, which is currently around. No, he has a different one. This one looks right to me. I think he thinks we're going to about 47,000 on a relief rally, and then we're coming down to 25,000, right? So you got to look at both sides. No one knows. I'm telling you, I don't know. I don't know if we're going to come up and then come back down even harder. It's possible. Higher, lower high, and then lower low. A lot of that's, the charts don't matter, to be honest. The charts don't matter. A lot of it's going to be what kind of news we get out there, or manipulation to a certain point. But the right news stories, we're going back to the moon. That's all there is to it. And Apple announces that they bought Bitcoin, we're going to the moon. ETF gets approved, we're going to the moon. More countries start saying Bitcoin is real money, you don't have to pay taxes on it, we're going to the moon, right? I think there's a good chance we're going to start seeing a lot of that. A lot of pressure being put on the IMF, a lot of fingers to them, and a lot of fingers to the banking system. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this up. Let's see what prices are looking like. Bitcoin hovering around that 39,000. We're struggling a little bit. Probably going to be a boring time in crypto for a while. I don't know that we're going to go up or down either way. It's going to take news stories either way. And right now, I would be a little bit more nervous to the downside, if we're being honest, just because it's a lot easier to manufacture FUD than it is to manufacture good news, right? And we've actually had a lot of great news in Bitcoin, and it's still struggling a bit. So I think it's going to take that great news story to get that up and going. All right. I'm going to wrap this up. I was going to do a quick look at the stock market, but I'm too lazy to open up my Tastyworks. No one cares about the stock market right now anyway. I will be back 6:25 a.m. PST tomorrow. Be there, be square. Love you all, and peace.